Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2017 Yamaha FZ-07. This is Yamaha's mid-size sport standard motorcycle. Has a 700cc 2-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is the clean title California bike. Bike has very low miles, only 3,541 miles on the odometer. This bike is in good condition. Has new tires, new Dunlop tires, front and rear. Has frame sliders, port sliders, and rear sliders. 2-cylinder, 700cc, makes good power. Nice upright seating position. Very fun in the back mountain roads and great around town. And a good price of only $76.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.